Yo, what's going on, my people? Back again with another video. This one is going to be a quick, well, shouldn't be quick to be fair, but it will be semi-quick because we've only got a couple more things to do on my car. Obviously there's a change of plans. I've been offered a deal that I couldn't resist, so this is probably going to go soon. So literally just going to finish it up now. I think I've only got like 3 or 4 things to do, which we're going to do today, and then that should be slapped straight to the market. And then obviously, by the way I'm calculating how I'm going to release the videos, this should be the last video of the year, so it should come out just before New Year's and after Christmas. So Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, the whole thing, you already know what's up. In the meantime, before we get to do my car, we're going to do my friend's car, because he's going to do the interior lights, and because we need the daylight, and you already know we live in the UK. Couple more hours and it's going to be dark, and I don't need the light to do whatever's left on mine. I'm going to do his car first, and I've never done it before, so I'm actually going to not document, I'm going to show you some bits and bobs, see how it looks like before and after and all that. And yeah, I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. They've already done the first one, which is at the front, and I've just seen it, and the startup is crazy. Yeah, that line going there is crazy. But yeah, they've already done the front, but not the doors yet because it's long and we need to take the door cards out and all that. So we're gonna do all that today, and then obviously move on to whatever I gotta do on my car, and then yeah. But yeah, this should be fun. I'm gonna show you lot the end result. Obviously the back doors don't have them either, none of the doors do, just literally that front bit. So gonna finish it up today, make it look all nice and clean, and yeah, catch up with you guys in a bit. Door cards out, getting ready to work. Let's go. Fun fact, this was my first time taking a door card out. Quite simple actually, didn't expect that, but I'm gonna leave the camera here so you lot can catch the whole process. Lega indo mam. Made the first connection now. Yeah. Nice. First connection, 3 more on each door after this one, of course, and then everything goes back on, and then yeah. But in the meantime, cars are a mess, but yeah, it's gonna be worth it. Another connection made, and I actually done that by myself, I'm proud. Yeah, another connection made to the puddle light on the door. Flash is getting the other side done, is putting the door card back in now. I think we need to make 2 holes because this has got the little door handle light thing, and then another one for the little space storage here that you have at the bottom. But yeah, so far so good. Getting darker already, but should be finishing in the next half an hour to an hour, I'd say. Semi-successful so far. We've done 2 doors. The lights on this door are working fine, but only because we found out that we've made the wrong connection with that one. We've connected it to the puddle light, which means that light only works when the doors open. That's when the puddle lights come on. With this one, we've done the actual right connection now, because obviously we found out that that connection was wrong. Where is he? I don't have the key, but I'll show you guys in a bit what it's looking like so far. Who that? Bring key, my friend. Yeah, abra ainda. A chave tem que estar dentro. Yeah, there we go. Boom. So them lights come on. This light on the door also comes on. There we go, perfect. But that light don't come on because that's connected to the puddle light. So if I open the door, then it comes on. So we're gonna have to take the door card back out again, do another connection, but at least now, see, at least now we know where to connect it to. So yeah, that's gonna make it easier for us now. So yeah, night time already. It's only what, it's not even 6 o'clock yet, but yeah, oh well. Yep, it's work and it's not work.
We get there.
Yeah, we get there, no problem. Here, not only my first time taking a door card off, but trying to install these lights on. And what, look, man, found the connection to the other side as well. Flash is switching that connection, and then that's it. Boom, done ski. Yeah, this is gonna look so nice when it's done. Beautiful. Couple more minutes, well, seconds for you lot, and then yeah, you lot will see this all nice and ready. Finally done. I'm gonna show you lot how beautiful this looks. There we go. Yeah, look at the doors. Yeah, beautiful. Gorgeous. All doors done now. Beautiful. Done. And then the doors go after. Boom. Nice and done. Took us a couple of hours, but got there in the end. Now time to work on this one. I've only got the lights to the LEDs. I'm going to change these interior lights to LEDs, plate lights to LEDs, and this thing, I've never had the little, do you know, the filling in, wait, I don't know, let me zoom in, that which it tells you what mirror you're on and all that. I've never had that since I had the car. So 2 years I've been hanging around with this, literally just flapping outside. So today, finally today, we're going to take the door card out, put that tool, the part in that's missing from here, put this back finally in its place, and then the rest is quite easy. Yeah, let's go. So this is what the plate lights look now. This is what they look like. Not too bright, bit dim, yellowish. And then I'm going to show you the aftermath once I've fitted the LED ones on. Done. LEDs put on. Looks a lot better. Going on to the next one. Yeah, mosh puto. Depois vamos trocar um fusível, as luzes vão funcionar, yeah? Yeah.
Sorry, mate. I'd rather you
We
have
managed
no
to get the
lights than
LEDs
no
back
fuel.
on, no fuel, mate. We managed to get the lights back on, but we took a fuse from the fuel pump that we didn't know about, and I'd rather have a fuel pump than no lights.
Não tem fuse, né? Queres tentar fazer aquilo?
Fizeste a dias?
Yeah, plastic weld.
Yeah, try it. We're gonna try plastic weld it now.
Weld.
Otherwise, I'll have no lights. At least we know they work. At least. So, yeah, that's literally the second to last thing that we need to sort out. The backlight, my camera's died, but the backlight, as soon as I put the LED on, stopped working. Put the normal light back on, started working again. Put the LED back on, didn't work again. So, yeah, you're just gonna have to say like that. I mean, it don't matter anyway. It's only for the trunk anyway, for the boot. So, yeah. After these interior lights change to LEDs, there's only one little thing, one more mod. Well, it's not really a mod really, but one more thing that needs to be done, and the car is literally done, finished, finito, no more touching it. Yeah, nah, fuck that, it's long. Next one. Anyway, had to connect the fuel pump fuse back on because that's a fuel pump. Just gonna have to get another fuse for the lights another day. So the last mod I had for this, well, not a mod, but the last thing that I had for this car, where is it now? Where did I put it? Probably in the back. Oh no, it's not. It's right here. And it is finally, my wheels are not going to be naked anymore. Got the little thing here. Finally, that's going to be sorted. Let's hope it fits. Uh-oh, it's not fitting. Don't like that. Yes, you are. Go on. Of course you will. Let me put that down. Finally! Yeah, put it. Finally the caps are on. No more naked wheels. And boom. Finally. The only one thing that needed done on this car was obviously changed the LEDs. On this one of them's gone, but yeah, I'm not doing that. Next owner can worry about that. I've got the light in the back anyway. All you got to do is switch it, and that's it. But apart from that, the car's ready, done. Nothing else to do. I'm gonna get one more video done just when I go take pictures of it, and then yeah, let's go.